Hey everyone, so there's no like actual intro to this video. It kind of just abruptly starts and like me like already in Australia. So if you're new to my channel, I'm originally from Japan, studying in Australia for university. I'm a first year student, business, marketing major. I don't know, my minor in something, but yeah. So if you're interested, keep on watching, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yeah, let's get started. Hey everyone, long time no vlog, but I'm in a different place. I didn't really vlog getting here, but right now I'm in my like new dorm. I guess I'll give you guys a spin. My dad's here. He's listening to music. He can't hear me. But there's the door. Then there's like the fridge, this cupboard, some shelves, a TV thing, my desk, the closet, and this is the bed. So you guys see, this is my closet. It's the bed. It's my dad.
Your outside view.
This is the view. Could be worse, but yeah.
You like this,
Mommy, look at that. Oh, it's all recording. I just remembered.
1 hour later.
So right now we're walking to the shopping area where there's like Target and stuff because we need stuff for my room, you know. Greg, my mother, and yeah. Yeah. Wow, guys. Stuff from my room. Look at this painting. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, like the next day, that doesn't really matter. Looks the same anyways. And it's very dark. You can't see my face. Ooh. But yeah.
If you want the nightstand, you can.
Got some plants. Basically, after IKEA and like Target and stuff, we went back to my dorm, dropped off all the stuff from IKEA, and then we were so exhausted. Like we were so hangry and like exhausted. We like went back home and like literally slept. Like we ate at IKEA, went back home, slept, passed out. So yeah, that's what happened after IKEA, if you were wondering, because I didn't film anything. I don't know why I keep going like this, but good morning. So, I'm using my phone. It's just a lot easier to vlog than on my camera. But today I have like an international student orientation thing at 1:15 at my school. It's currently like 9 something in the morning, so I have to get out of bed and get ready. And then we're gonna also stop by my dorm room to drop off some things that we got at Costco the other day. And yeah, that's the plan. Drop off stuff, orientation, and then do whatever afterwards. So yeah, it's Monday, a week until classes start, and I really don't want classes to start. So yeah. So right now I'm hanging clothes in my closet. I don't think everything's gonna fit, honestly. Actually, no, it does fit, but like, it's kind of annoying how the dresses like kind of drag along this shelf thing, you know? But I don't know. I might get like a one of those hanger thingies right here. Maybe. Put all my food in this like container thing. Like this side is the food, that's like snacks. You know, 1:15 I had the international orientation thing, so I went to that. After the international orientation, that was very boring, by the way. I went to the mall to meet up with my parents. We did some more like shopping for my dorm, and then I don't know what we did, but I don't know, we basically did the same stuff as before. And we went home, relaxed, and yeah. Next day, I had business school orientation at 9 a.m., so. And then afterwards, I just met up with my parents. We got like, finally got a phone number and like all my bank stuff and like, bought some food and then came back to the Airbnb and like chilled. Today's Wednesday, July 31st, and I don't really know what we're doing. The weather's not like super great today, but we're probably gonna go out, do some stuff, and yeah. So I know I didn't film a lot of like clips and little things. Oops. I know I didn't film a lot of like clips and little things, but I definitely will be doing like a room tour for my dorm as soon as possible. And like showing you guys where I got everything if you are a university student in Australia or like, you know, anything like that. So yeah, definitely videos will be coming very, 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 very soon since I can like vlog for school and everything now. And yeah, hope you're enjoying the video so far. So we're at this like zoo basically. Look at the little baby. Oh, the big ones.
So it is, you got the legs. Bring her up.
Oh, Jarrah behind me, he's about 5. He's just having a little bit of a sulk. We got him last week because
Hey guys, so clearly I'm in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go out to eat dinner now, and I thought it would be fun to do like a skincare segment like my last few videos I've had. YesStyle sent me some skincare products for me to try out for you guys again, so I'm gonna be doing that. If you're interested in any of these products, then they are all linked below. And there's also a coupon code for you guys. I don't make any money off of it. It's literally for you guys to save money. So I just want to do like a quick skincare like routine thing. So first I'm gonna just like apply some moisturizer because it is winter here, so my skin is like pretty dry. And I'm going to be taking this, and this is the Cellapy Red Cica All-in-One Cica Cream. And it's just like supposed to help prevent breakouts and like, you know, just moisturize your skin and everything. And it says it'll like improve your skin's oil-water balance, which is really amazing. We're gonna take this. I've already used this a bit, but yeah, we're just gonna squeeze a bit of this, apply it all over my face. It applies really smoothly into the skin, and just I can feel it like getting absorbed because it doesn't feel like it's just sitting on top of my skin. But yeah, I'm going to also bring it a bit down into my neck because it is winter here in Australia, so it is a little more dry. So next I'm going to take this, and this is the SWANICOCO multi-solution triple B ampoule, and it has a bunch of like antioxidants and stuff, and they're supposed to protect your skin from daily pollutants and help prevent like hyperpigmentation and stuff. And like, yeah, it's like a skin protectant, and it says it leaves your skin bright and glowy with the help of orange and lemon extracts. So it's like a dropper bottle. I'm just going to like drop some. It is a little more runny than like an oil, so. Perfect. So last but not least, I'm going to be using the Dr. JmeeLab Frozen Jelly and Capsule Mist, and this is supposed to like keep your skin moisturized, and it says it is a non-irritating gel type essence mist. It's formulated with jeju botanical extracts and like a bunch of other ingredients to moisturize, soothe, and nourish the skin. And it says the mist is fine to like spray over makeup, so if you're wearing like skin makeup, then it's perfectly fine to spray this over. And yeah, it's supposed to moisturize. It looks really interesting because it is like a gel. Like it has these red, like, you can't really tell here, but oh, you can see those red little specks. But it says it's okay to apply over makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, obviously, because I applied all the skincare things on, but I'm just going to spray this on. It smells really like refreshing and like nice. I like the smell. This scent is amazing. I definitely feel super refreshed, super glowy and fun. So yeah, let's go eat dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed. Link below. Basically, we went to eat some steak after I filmed that last clip with the skincare, you know. Some Aussie beef on their last night with my parents. And then we went home, did whatever. Next day they left, sadly. We went to IKEA, bought some stuff. I didn't really vlog. Low-key like got caught up in like being with my parents and stuff that I forgot to vlog. But yeah, we bought some more things. And I don't really want to show you guys my room right now because I'm gonna film a room tour, and I really want to save everything for the room tour. It is currently 11:40 p.m. I never stay up this late, but classes start tomorrow. I don't have class tomorrow, Liddy. But yes, so basically, I guess this is the end of the video. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little move-in vlog. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and post every week now that I have school. You know, I have actual content to post, hopefully. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe to me, like the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I love you. It is freezing in my room. Please save me. Okay, that's all. Bye.